Performance engagements are assurance engagements that can take the form of an audit or review. In performance engagements, activities within an entity are evaluated to assess their economy, efficiency, or effectiveness. Performance engagements differ from financial statement audit engagements since financial statement audits are focused solely on accountability, while performance audits focus on both accountability and management practice. So, performance audits serves two roles. The primary role is to provide assurance that an entity's management is economical, efficient, and effective, and that the internal controls relating to economy, efficiency, and effectiveness are sufficient. The secondary role is to improve management practices. Performance audits can also be direct engagements or attestation engagements. If the management of the entity or government department prepares the report and the assurance practitioner expresses a conclusion, then it is an attestation engagement. However, if the assurance practitioner prepares the report and provides the conclusion on the report, it would be considered a direct engagement. The standard used when doing a performance engagement is ASAE 3500, which is the Australian Standards on Assurance Engagements 3500, which specifically relates to performance engagements. This standard is used for both private and public sector performance engagements. The objective of a performance audit is similar to that of an audit of financial statements in that it requires the practitioner to express a conclusion which would enhance intended users' confidence in the report. However, unlike an audit of financial statements, whose report focuses on the fair presentation of financial statements that are free from material error or misstatement, the report of a performance engagement relates to economy, efficiency, and effectiveness of specific activities which have been measured against suitable criteria. To recap, a performance engagement is simply an audit or review of activities to evaluate its economy, efficiency, and effectiveness.